Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use speak screen on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So first I'll show you how to turn on or enable the speak screen feature on your iPhone 14. For that, go to settings. In the settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, tap on spoken content. In here, you will have the option for speak screen. Here you can enable it or disable it. So let me enable the speak screen here. So when it is enabled, you can just find any content on internet. Like for example, let me open this content from an article from TechStreams. So to just make your iPhone to read it, simply hold two fingers. Like here, this one, swipe down with two fingers from the top, and this will start reading the content in the web page like this.
How to enable iOS 16 Control Center on any Samsung phone. How to Android October 15th,
Yes, you can stop and you can make it faster.
2022 2 minutes of reading. Would you like to install the iOS 16 control?
Yeah, and this is how you do it. From here you can hide it and unhide it. So that's it. That's how you can use this big screen feature on your iPhone 14. So thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.